Minahal ng totoo at pinadalhan pa ng pera pero ang ending, ghosting. Ganyan po ang sinapit ng isang AFAM na tumulong sa programa ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Ang buong kwento alamin sa Frontline Report na ito.
I wanted to help her because I knew she was poor, and so I straight away started sending. I gave her an allowance.
Naiyak ang Australian na si Michael Chandler nang dumulog sa programang Wanted sa radyo ni Senator Raffy Tulfo. Isinumbong niya ang ex-girlfriend niyang Pinay na si Berry Bardoquillo na natawagan din ng programa. Kwento ni Michael, nagkakilala sila ni Berry sa isang dating site. Nagkamabutihan sila at nauwian sa 2 taong relasyon. Nagkaayaan na rin silang magpakasal, pero bigla raw nakahanap ng iba at ng ghost si Berry. Ang masaklap, nagpapadala raw ng pera si Michael sa panahong niloloko na siya.
And she kept telling me that she loved you
and that she was going to marry me and that I'm the love of her life.
and that's why you continue sending money to her. So how much money are we talking about?
I'd give her 10K here, 10K there. So she would send me lies telling me that she needs money for private school, for this, for that, for the others.
Aabot daw sa kalahating milyong piso ang naipadala ni Michael kay Berry, bukod pa sa niregalo niyang laptop at cellphone. Ayon naman kay Berry, minahal niya si Michael, pero sadyang nawala na ang feelings niya. Ginusto naman daw niyang makipaghiwalay.
Didn't I told you before that, the feelings fade and I'm only staying because my father wants me to, to not end up with somebody that has no, that can't provide for me.
Nagpaliwanag din siya kung bakit hindi napunta sa tuition sa private school ang perang pinadala noon ni Michael.
Nangyari, parang may babayaran sa bahay halagang 2K, edi 8K na lang, kukulangin na po para sa 10K.
Oh,
Kaya
okay.
sabi ko, ay sige, sa public na lang ako
Alright.
Tapos yung
Translate, Sherry, translate.
Hindi ko pinambayad.
Hold on.
Tutulungan ng programa si Michael na magsampa ng kasong estafa laban kay Berry.
It's okay.
Plano naman ng Pinay na bayaran na lang ang pera na sinabi niyang tuition dapat sa private school.
Or maybe you can just talk it out without going to the court. And who knows, you might get together again. You
Get
still
away
love
with this? Of course I do, but I'm not going to love someone who treats me like this.
I know, I understand.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline. Faye Tobias,
Being on the
News
site, I was
5.
surprised.